So we start off today's video with this bread box hack. We've seen this a couple of times being done with like the IKEA style bread boxes, but it's nice to see it with a different kind of style. So it looks like they decided to paint the look blue. Of course, they add some legs and bam, oh, a little bit of fabric. Beautiful. It's actually nice to really see it in a different style for the bird boxes. I think that came out really cute. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone painting some type of shell. Looks like they're just painting it white. Adding some type of glaze to it to give it a nice little sheen. Now this would be a cool project to do if you did find a shell and you didn't like the color. You could always paint it something else. Very cool. So for the next project, we have various dollar store items. So they have some gems here. Oh, they're making a wall sconce. So we've seen a couple of DIYs from this particular creator before. She does like these amazing wall sconce designs. And I don't know how she comes up with these ideas. They are simply breathtaking. And this style is definitely for someone who likes things on the more glam side. She mixes in some fairy lights here. Adds those gem pieces that she made. Oh, I can already tell how beautiful is this. Wow. Oh my goodness. Absolutely stunning. And the fact that it doesn't even use like real electricity, like that is just astonishing. So cool. So next up, looks like we have a mirror design here. Now this features a very like Bohemian style design. Oh wow, she's putting the pampas grass around there. I've never seen that before. Oh, she made like a couple of different styles. Oh, that's pretty cool. So then we have a DIY from Miguel. So he's using the dollar store shower rings for this one. Spray painting them gold. Oh, that looks so pretty. Maybe just because I like gold, I don't know, but... And then he has a pizza pan here, painting that black. Those little shower rings almost look like bracelets to me. Like, they look so beautiful. So he's adding the little rings around the perimeter. It looks like he's making, yeah, like a table tray. Oh, he could put a mirror in the middle if you wanted to. That would be really cool. You would have to find one that would match, you know, the same size, but very cool idea. And then we have this DIY lamp design. I wonder if they made this side table too. So here they are at the thrift store buying a lamp. It's got like a basic color going there with the white, the ivory. So she's using the sponging method here. Oh, so she's covering the lampshade with fabric. And it looks like basic muslin. I love this flip. It's just a nice modern update that she does here. Great find. Fluffy stool. So she's using some piping here for this. I don't know how she's going to do this one, but let's see. Oh, I guess that created the shape and then she's putting them together. Huh. I wonder how comfortable this would be though, like sitting on it. Okay, so she does have some foam here. Okay. So she kind of pads it with the foam then. You could, I think I've seen this DIY being done before with pool noodles. I feel like that would be a little bit more comfortable. And then of course she uses some fabric. But maybe with the fabric and the pattern and the foam and everything, it would be okay. I don't know. I mean, that fabric does look like super soft. I think it came out cute. I don't know how, like, realistically how long you could like actually sit on that though, just being honest. So then we have another quick and easy DIY. So I think they got these trash cans from the dollar store, if I'm not mistaken, and they're just putting them together. Now they use blue for the ties, but you could go ahead and use black. I think that would have looked a little bit more aesthetically appeasing if you wanted to recreate this project. But then again, I guess you can't really see it, so. All right, so we have a balloon here, doing some paper mache. Oh, it looks like they're creating the moon. Oh, that's cute. You know what? That would actually make for like a cute lamp. That'd be a cool project to try. All right, so we have some jars here. They're painting them. Oh, they made little lanterns. Oh, that's pretty. That is so cute. I like the one better. They're both beautiful, but I think I like the one with the fairy lights more. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.